Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the messenger notification not working on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library, here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down and click on Scroll down and click on notification and click on do not disturb. And if you want to fix this problem, so turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library and click on Play Store. After click on Play Store, click on this profile icon and click on Manage App and Device Update, and you will see Messenger app is showing here. Click on Messenger app and click on Update. After update Messenger app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on Settings app and click on Apps. Scroll down and search Messenger app from here. Click on Messenger app and click on Storage and click on Clear Cache. After click on Clear Cache, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the Messenger notification not working on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.